Have you ever stopped to think about how powerful your words are? The things you speak about yourself, your situation, and others? Do you know that they are actually shaping your reality? Proverbs 18:21 says, "Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and those who love it will eat its fruit." It makes it very clear, y'all. Our words are either bringing life or bringing death. Here's the thing. I have the power, and so do you, to speak life into every situation. So when I complain or fuss, I am only speaking and affirming harm and destruction into my life. Every word I speak shapes my reality. So when life feels hard, our response cannot be, "Oh Lord, what's next?" That's not words that build you up. They will break you down and leave you feeling anxious that bad things are going to come because you literally asked, "What's next?" Speak life. Speak life. God is already working it out. Everything is working out in my favor. Life brings truth and healing. When I speak life, I'm opening up my atmosphere to reap good results that come from positive and God-honoring words. Listen, the enemy wants you to speak words that align with your fear and your doubt. But when you stay in the Word of God, you learn to speak words that align with His truth. But here's the thing. When you have no word in you, you have no reference to plant the seeds of that truth. So ask the Lord to guard your tongue and use your words to bring life. Declare God's promises over every situation and everything in your life. Thanks for listening to 1 Minute on Purpose.